People that aren't familiar with plumbing systems may not know that in modern setup, your dishwasher drains first to the disposal. So when you're talking about mitigating what you're putting in there, a lot of that has to do with how well you clean, pre-rinse the dishes that go in your dishwasher.
Yeah, that connects to the dishwasher and what it drains. And let's just say if your garbage disposal goes bad and then you're running your dishwasher, it can fill up your sink to the rim and overflood your sink. And then you have those problems with the water and not good water coming out over your sink and onto your cupboards. So making sure that you don't leave a lot of gunk. It's not that you have to clean off everything, but all the chunks, all the food debris, you want to try to clean that off. There's some sauce or gravy on your plate. That should come off in the dishwasher just fine. But you really want to try to limit your high fats. You want to limit those butters and anything greasy going down on the plates in the dishwasher or in your garbage disposal. Try to mitigate that.
Which is the complete opposite to what dishwasher manufacturers advertise. They want to show you, you don't have to do any work. No effort, maintenance free, put it in as dirty as you can. You see the commercials, they've just got all this gunk going on. And I'm like, okay, that might be great. And your dishwasher may be able to handle that. Great job, manufacturer, for making this great appliance. You've got to think about where it's being terminated.
And then if you're a person that doesn't cook a lot and use your sink a lot, that debris can build up in your garbage disposal and you won't know it till the next time you do. So if you are loading a dishwasher with stuff, make sure you go in and run some water and turn that garbage disposal on for a few minutes and then turn it back off. Keep that water running still for another minute or two. Cold water, again, is best. And that should also help the debris that drain from the dishwasher into your garbage disposal unit so it doesn't get back up and smell.